Everybody had an ocean across the USA.
As we wrap up our 21-22 season, we kick off the summer with a tribute concert with music that celebrates the beach, warm weather, and youth. The Sounds of Summer are a Beach Boys tribute band that recreates those classic harmonies that Brian Wilson pioneered and combined with a rock and roll rhythm section that created as distinct a sound as any artist in popular music history. What a way to celebrate the beginning of our warm weather season here in Michigan than to come and hear these favorite songs of ours recreated live. Make plans to attend this concert.
Everybody's going surfing, surfing USA. Well, I'll be planning out a run we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboard, we can't wait for June.